Hey going guys, today I'm going to be walking you through how to get started with Google Keyword Planner so you can build effective Google ad campaigns. Let's get straight into it. Hey going guys, today I'm going to be running you through how to use Google Keyword Planner to set up effective Google ad campaigns. Keyword Planner is a really strong tool to use if you want to forecast campaign results and get an idea of how much you're going to have to spend to get these results. So sign into your Google account, your Google Ads account, and you can just click on Keyword Planner down here when you search it to find this link. If not, when you're in Google Ads, you can click on the tools and settings and navigate to Keyword Planner to find it. That'll take you to this page here, and we've got two settings: discover new keywords or get search volumes and forecast. Let's start with discovering new keywords. So theoretically, say you're a lawyer and you're looking to start running a Google ad campaign in your local town to get more work for your lawyer firm. Let's go through and use this as a case example. We click on discover new keywords and we might put in lawyers and go get results. So you can see that we are searching in Australia using language English on Google's search network. You can adjust all these settings up here. So if in the US, you can change that, and so on and so forth. And you can see along here it's given us some results. So it's generating similar keywords that people are searching for. And along here you can see what information Google gives us. Average monthly searches, competition. Competition refers to how many people are paying for ads on these keywords. Top of page bids, in brackets low range. That means how much are people paying in the low range to get on top of the page. And by top of the page, I mean here. These ads here. So how much people paying on the low range to get here. And you can see for lawyers, it's about $2.73. And then the high range top of page bid is $15. So you can see that most people are actually paying quite a lot of money to appear up here. Now as you scroll down here, you can see all the information it's given us. You can see it's like people searching for stuff like lawyers near me, personal injury lawyers. This is a really good way to gauge competition and what people are searching for and what you can use. So if you are a lawyer and you're looking to target words like find a lawyer and lawyer firms, you can select these and we'll be able to add them to a plan. And these plans will then be able to go from there and develop a Google ad campaign from. But first, let's play around with the filters. So we're searching for lawyers, but we might add filters. We can go into here and we can look at top of page bid high range. So what this means is we can filter out keywords that have expensive top of range bids. So this symbol means here greater than or equal to. So we want less than or equals to, say, our top of page max bid we think might be about $5. So we want to select top of page bid high range, less than or equal to $5, and then we'll hit apply, and then we'll only see keywords with bids like this. And you can see there's not many keywords out there that are really that good. So we might adjust this and go, we'll call it $8. And here we go. You can see that the type of options that we could bid at are type of lawyers, law society, finder lawyers, and these are a really good way of generating keywords which are quite cheap. So let's get rid of that filter there, but we might just select that we are looking to do lawyers on low range and we'll select it less than or equal to $5. So that means our max bids can be about $5, which is pretty healthy. So we might select find a lawyer, lawyers near me, law society, find a lawyer, immigration lawyers near me. And now once we've selected these, we can add these to a new group and start forecasting results from these keywords. So we're going to go add to plan, we're going to add to new ad group because we haven't got one. We've got lawyers, hit create, and we're going to select one of these. So broad match means that when people are searching for find a lawyer, they might go find a lawyer in Adelaide, and that would be a broad match. Phrase match means that all the words have to be in the phrase, so find a lawyer has to be in the phrase, and exact match is what it sounds like. It's an exact match. So if you're looking to have an exact match, which I might recommend, then you select that. But if you're looking for a bit more reach and get a few more impressions on your ad, but possibly encounter wrong people, then you might select these two. Let's just go with exact match and go add keywords. So this means we've got this group now in a plan. And then we can go down to here and look at the plan overview. Here we go. So we're targeting these keywords here. You can see them here. And here is our overview. We can edit this. So your plan can get 27 link clicks for $84 at $4 max cost per click. So we might be happy to spend a max $5 cost per click, which is quite reasonable because Google ads are reasonably expensive. You can expect to pay around $3 for an easy ad. But let's just change it to 5 because it's a competitive industry. And now we can get some results. So we can see with a daily budget of $7 over the course of a month, we'll get 35 clicks, 1.2 thousand impressions, 1,200 impressions, a click-through rate of 2.9%, a cost per click of almost $4, and an average conversion of 2.3. And we can then take this here and adjust it so we can see if we change our cost per click higher, we can expect to get more clicks but have higher costs. And you can see the forecast over the next year for this. So this is a really powerful tool to use to start developing campaigns. And then you can have an idea of what to expect when you're paying for stuff. Once again, we can go to ad groups here and have a look at what we can expect. Max cost per click would be around $3.67. We can expect 23 clicks. And these are all really cool tools to start forecasting expenses and how to develop a really good keyword campaign. I hope you guys learned a few things from this about how to use Keyword Planner to start actually developing Google ad campaigns. It's a really strong way of finding keywords and then using these keywords to actually understand how many clicks you're going to get and what it's going to cost. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much. Have a great day.